Welcome to our introduction to JavaScript. In this course, we're going to explore how JavaScript works, what it is, and how you can start using JavaScript in order to do amazing things within your web applications. So first of all, my name is Lawrence, and I'm so excited to be able to present this course to you. I've been building web applications and websites since 1999, and JavaScript is truly one of the most amazing languages. There's so much you can do, and it's just up to your imagination. Sky is the limit, really, with JavaScript. There's so many different things that you can do with JavaScript, and JavaScript really is one of the cornerstones of the web. So there's HTML, which provides the structure, there's CSS, which provides the styling, and then JavaScript works in the background doing all of the heavy lifting and the calculations, applying logic, and making those applications dynamic. So not every website has JavaScript, but I would say most websites do have JavaScript, and for a lot of things that you do online, you need JavaScript. Now, as mentioned, JavaScript really runs in the background, and it allows you to do calculations, it allows you to run functions, and execute chunks of code, apply logic to your applications, create those interactions, and so on. So in this course, I'm going to be introducing you to JavaScript, how JavaScript works, and how you can use JavaScript within your web applications to build out some really nice functionality and to do some really amazing things. So with JavaScript itself, we're going to be starting with the very basics because this is an introductory course. I have provided examples of the source code that we are going to be using within the course to allow you to explore that, try it out for yourself, and that really is one of the crucial things about JavaScript, is that you try it out for yourself, you see how it works, and you see what JavaScript can do, see it in action, and practice JavaScript. And as you become more and more familiar, you can build out more and more complex applications. So by the end of this course, you're going to have the basic foundational knowledge in order to start writing JavaScript and start creating something with that JavaScript. So when you're ready, let's jump into JavaScript and start creating some JavaScript code.